Okay, so it's a very Monday morning, and I made a minor tactical mistake this morning. I had taken out my starter last night to warm up. It had been in the refrigerator because I hadn't used it for a few days, and planned to feed it this morning when I get up at stupid o'clock, and then start preparing my dough at 7 when I came up to make my oatmeal, and I forgot to feed it at stupid o'clock. So I'm trying something a little different this time. I'm making a Levain to boost the starter. So I threw about a half a cup of starter in a mug, added some water and some flour, basically a turbo feeding before I make the bread. If you're wondering how I knew that I had made a mistake, other than the fact that, it should have been fed if I wanted to use it, one of the ways to test your sourdough to see if it is ready to use to make bread, if it's at the right point in its feeding and rising cycle, you can take a small spoonful or a little dollop of it and drop it in a bowl of water. If it floats, it will help your bread rise. If it sinks, it hasn't had enough time to grow or is too far down the collapse stage that it will not actually make your bread rise very well. So, yeah, we will test this again in a little while, and hopefully we'll be able to have sourdough bread sometime this evening. Okay, so I put my Levain in here. Let's get nice and frothy. Let's see if it is. So I turned the oven on to 100, and as soon as it hit temperature, I turned it off again. Ooh, that's much better. So as you can see, it's floating, or maybe you can't see. We'll see how this looks, this camera. It's floating on the top. Earlier when I dropped it in, it just sort of fell to the bottom of the cup in a blob. So it is now ready to use, so I'll be able to make my bread now. Woohoo! Go plan, jumpstart the sourdough. And here's the bread that I made from the Levain this morning. And it had a really nice rise. Beautiful oven spring. It was a little bit squirrely to deal with. Let's see. There, give you an idea how big it got. It's kind of a little puff ball.